I told my AI to clear my inbox, check my calendar, and book my meetings, and it just did it. And here's the thing, Google quietly dropped this tool that make this possible. And if you live inside Google like I do, it kind of changed everything. Because here's what I actually did. I didn't connect Google to my mail or calendar by hand. I told it to connect itself to my whole Google account, Gmail, calendar, docs, the lot. You know that thing when your morning is just tap, 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 check your emails, go to your calendar, book a meeting, back to your email. Half an hour is gone before you've done anything that matters. So now I just talk to it. What needs a reply today? Book this on Thursday. Pull that into a doc. And it reaches right into Google and does it. And stick around. There's one moment near the end when it reads an email, check my calendar, and writes the reply all in one go. That's the part that actually got me. Let me show you exactly how to set this up, including the one slightly fiddly bit, so you don't get stuck. Let's jump into it. One idea first, then we build. By default, your AI lives in a box. Smart, but blind. It can't see your inbox. It can't touch your calendar. It has no idea what's inside your Google Drive. What Google dropped is a little tool that plugs your AI into your entire Google account. Think of it as one cable. Not just Gmail, not just calendar, but Gmail, calendar, docs, sheet, drive, all of it through one connection. It's called Google Workspace CLI or GWS CLI. But honestly, forget the name. Nobody cares what it's called. What matters is what it lets your AI do. And the cool part, and this is the reason why I'm so excited, you don't install it the hard way. You hand it to Cloud Code. You say, set yourself up, and it does the heavy lifting for you. You're the one who decides. It does the typing. Step 1, the setup. And I'll say this up front, because I know what it looks like. This part looks complicated. It's not. And after this, it's just you talking to it. Don't let it scare you off. This is the only setup in the video. So let me go slow and you copy it exactly. There's a couple of clicks Google makes you do yourself. That's the only fiddly bit. So here's the magic move. I go to GitHub and I grab the links to the tool. I put it in the description as well. And I paste it in to Cloud Code. And I just say, I want to install this Google Workspace CLI, read the description, install everything I need, and let's get it set up. Now watch. It goes to read the actual doc itself. It checks what I already got installed, installs the tools that I need. Because I already have this installed on my computer, it might look a little different to you, but just follow the steps and ask Claude if you wonder anything. Because I already have this set up, I have this O8 client configured, but I'm going to try to show you exactly how to do it step by step. If it is the first time you're doing this, Cloud Code is going to walk you through everything. So just follow the steps it gives you. Now here's the one fiddly bit. The part that Google won't let the AI do for you. You have to create a login key so Google trusts this connection. Cloud Code is going to give you the exact steps and the exact link how to get here. I'm going to try zoom in and show you exactly how to do it. Okay, first we need to create a new project. Create new project. I name mine YouTube GWS and click create. Now it's spinning up the project. I'm going to select the project. Then we're going to go to APIs and services. Add constant screen. When I click get started, we're going to give the app a name, an email. Next. I can't choose the internal because I only have a Google account, so I choose external. Next. I agree to this, continue, and click create. Perfect. And after this, we're going to need to create a client ID. We go back to APIs and services, credentials, create credentials, add client ID, and application type. We're going to choose desktop app, give it a name, hit create. And now it's giving you your client ID and your client secret. And here you can just download this JSON file. I'm going to click download, just going to rename my client secret just JSON and click save. And that's it. Now you go into Cloud Code and tell it, I have now downloaded the client secret JSON file. It's in the download folder. Move that file to the right folder and Cloud Code does it. And when everything is done, you're going to get a URL from Claude and it's asking you to log in and grant access. So just copying this URL, head over to your web browser, paste in the URL, choose your account, click continue again, selecting all, press continue, and that's it. Now you may close this window. Mine didn't work on the very first try. I had to flip a couple of switches to turn the services on. I just told Cloud Code, this isn't working, this is what I'm seeing, and it fixed it. That back and forth is the workflow. Cloud Code is honestly your best friend for this. It read the whole manual, remember? And that's it. The setup is done. You only ever do this once. From here on, it's just me talking. So let's actually use it. The inbox first. I don't open Gmail and scroll. I just ask, and I show you the exact words that I use. What email came in today that actually needs my reply? Skip the newsletters and the noises. Oh, look at that. Doesn't dump my whole inbox on me. There's 3 emails, one from a client, one from my accountant, and one asking to meet. That's it. And it tells me why each one needs me. The worst part of my morning is figuring out where to start. That's just gone. Next, I pick one and say, draft a reply, friendly, short, tell her I'll have it by Thursday. It writes the whole thing in my tone, no robot corporate. And here's the thing I like. It saves it in the draft. It doesn't send it. I need to send it myself. I'm always the one pressing the button. It types, I decide. The calendar is the same deal. Just in plain English, put a 1-hour call with Maria on Thursday afternoon and make sure it doesn't clash with anything. There it is. It checked my week first, found a free slot, booked it. You can open and test it. Call with Maria. And you can flip it around. Just ask it, for example, find me 2 hours next week to film when I'm actually free. It just read the calendar and tell me. No more squinting at the grid playing Tetris with my own week. And here's when it stops being a trick and starts being an actual assistant. Because remember, it's not plugged into one app. It's plugged into all of them. So watch it work across them. An email came in and asked for a meeting. Check my calendar and reply with a free slot. And it goes further because it can touch docs and sheets. Take the thread with my accountant, work out the numbers they're asking for, and put them in a Google Doc I can send over. It didn't just move the text around. It read the conversation, figured out what was needed, and built the doc across Gmail and Docs on its own. That's the difference of a chatbot and assistant. The tools stop being separate. It works across the whole Google account like a person would. Quick honest moment, because I know what you're all thinking. You gave AI access to your whole Google account. 2 things. 1, you granted the access, and you can pull it back anytime. It's a switch, not a tattoo. 2, it never sends anything without me, ever. It drafts, I read it, I press send. It suggests, I decide. Nothing leaves without me saying so. And one more, because I won't pretend otherwise. This tool is fairly new. It's open source, and it's free, and it's still early. So now and then it might ask you to log in again, or a step will need a nudge. It's not broken, it's young, it's getting better fast. For me, it's already worth it, but you should know that's going in. So that's it, one setup. And now my AI runs my Gmail, my calendar, my docs, just by talking to it. But here's the thing, right now it's helpful. It can reach my stuff. Next week I make it personal. I teach it everything about me, my work, my priorities, and turns it into a real second brain that runs my week. This video was the wiring, the next one is the brain. 2 things I used here. Both are linked down below. This all runs on a Claude plan. I'm on Pro. It's $20 a month. And instead of typing all those prompts, I just talk. I use Whisperflow for that. A couple of those are affiliate links. Cost you nothing, helps the channel. The tool itself, GWS, is completely free and open source. Your turn. If AI could take one job off your plate this week, would you let it handle your inbox, your calendar, or something else? Tell me in the comments. I'll read all of them. And subscribe, because next week we take this exact setup and turn it into a personal second brain that knows your whole life. You don't want to start that one from scratch. See you next week.